What is up guys, welcome to RN Tech Pro, and today we are going to do a full comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Samsung Galaxy S6. Let us see, has Samsung improved in 3 years? Let us start with the specs. The Samsung Galaxy S6 has a 5.1-inch display while the S9 has a 5.8-inch. Okay, so the S6 has a 3GB RAM while the S9 has a 4GB RAM. The Samsung Galaxy S6 as well as the Samsung Galaxy S9, they both have a fingerprint sensor and they also support fast charging. So let's move on to the chipset. The Samsung Galaxy S6 has an Exynos 7 octa-core 7420 while the Samsung Galaxy S9 has Exynos 9 and octa-core 9810. The weight of the Samsung Galaxy S6 is 138 grams while the S9 is much heavier at 163 grams. The Samsung Galaxy S6 has Gorilla Glass V4 while the Samsung Galaxy S9 has Gorilla Glass V5. The thickness of the Samsung Galaxy S6 is 6.8 mm while the Samsung S9 is much thicker than the S6 with a thickness of 8.5 mm. Let's see which phone boots up faster. As expected, the Samsung Galaxy S9 has booted up much faster than the Samsung Galaxy S6. So let's move on to the most awaited speed test. Let us start the stopwatch. As you can see, the S9 is able to load apps faster than the S6, but the real fun comes while loading the games. Here comes the gaming row. The S6 has suddenly entered the gaming row, but the S9 is one app ahead of the S6. The S9 has finished with the gaming row and now has moved ahead. The S9 has finished its first lap with a total time of 1 minute and 3 seconds. The S6 has finished with its first lap with a total time of 1 minute 21 seconds. So now the S9 has finished the speed test with a total time of 1 minute 37 seconds. The S6 has come up with a total 2 minutes 28 seconds. However, it was slow in loading some of the games in the gaming room.
The conclusion: Samsung has improved a lot in 3 years, and in each and every aspect, like the design, speed, RAM and battery. And Samsung has improved way better than their competitors. If we compare Samsung with their competitors, then we will observe that what they do is they only improve on one aspect. Suppose they improve on the camera, then they will neglect the performance of the phone. If they improve upon the performance, they will neglect the battery life. But Samsung has not done this at all. They improved in each and every aspect, that is design, speed, RAM, battery, camera, everything. And the Samsung Galaxy S9 looks amazing with its infinity display. It looks very beautiful. It is sleek and very fast. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is worth every penny you pay for it. So, if you are planning to buy the Samsung Galaxy S9, then I suggest you to go forward with it. And if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S6, then it is not available online or in the stores. You will have to buy it second hand from OLX or Quicker or from eBay. The Galaxy S9 is very famous for its super slow-mo and low light photography. We will have a look at the super slow-mo of the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the normal video and this is the super slow-mo. You can see it is amazingly slow. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.